Well, hello, I'm Nicholas Donkers. I'm the planting coordinator here at Tree Utah. One of my primary focuses is on what to do to inspect and look at trees in the urban environment. The tree inspection process is a ground-up look from the tree's function, its structure, any future considerations, past history, things that would potentially become a hazard for the surrounding environment. The best treatment is to have the healthiest possible tree in that environment, and so the first thing I look for is how can this tree be healthier, and sometimes it's as simple as just give it extra water. Essentially flush most pests out. So whether it's a bark beetle, which is actually boring in through the bark, their solution is basically flush it out with sap. And so if there's ample water and growth in the tree, that sap will overwhelm the beetles. Aphids are more of a nuisance than really it ever would kill the tree, but it's indicative of a tree that's out of balance with its environment. One of the primary things I look for in an urban growth tree is how it's rooted into its planting area, because a lot of times that's one of the major limitations is the depth of the soil, the width, the amount, whether there's a building next to it or sidewalks. You know, the roots are going to find growing area essentially where there's oxygen and resources. The above ground part of the tree is reflecting what's happening below ground. You can improve the soil by simply aerating it with a pitchfork, which allows a little more water to be stored in there. And so the ideal is a mix of particles in the soil where when it's saturated, it has a high water holding capacity. And garden pitchfork is one where I just kind of gently stick it in 8 to 10 inches down. You're not turning the soil over, you're just essentially lifting a little bit, just allow a little more air down in there. But if you add a little compost, which is naturally acidic, then you can start to improve the soil. And honestly, the best thing is let the tree mulch itself as the leaves come down to actually just essentially treat the root zone as its own little diffuse compost pile. Here at Tree Utah, our mission is another 25 to 100 years down the line, what can we do now and do proper tree planting where you have the right tree in the right place on public and private property, where the next generation isn't worrying about whether the trees there are diverse enough or healthy enough or sustainable enough to withstand some changes in the climate, and that we're constantly working to improve our urban forest and improve the quality of life here in Utah.